Oh my goodness, I didn't even try to look cute today. Look, can you see all these spots? Probably, yes. Okay, I'm back. I put a little bit of foundation on. I did my brows and I put on some lipstick and lip gloss. I know it probably looks a little bit weird, but we're gonna go with it because I thought I'd try out some of the eyeshadows on my face. I thought this was a good idea, so let's hope it turns out to be a good idea. But yes. Hey sisters! So it's been, I don't know, maybe like 2 weeks since I've filmed. I've just been working like all the time and been pretty tired, not gonna lie. So yeah, so I just thought let's come back with like a very exciting video, something that I haven't done before. Makeup, because I've mainly done phone videos to be fair, but also I want to shout out to nearly hitting 2k subscribers. Insane, because once, I think the first video I started since it's been a year ago, I had around, I don't know, maybe like 1,000 something subscribers, so we've nearly doubled. And so welcome if you're new, and thank you for leaving so many nice like comments on my iPhone XR 10R, whatever it's called, unboxing video. It really means a lot to me and I'm very grateful and thankful for that. So with all that ado, I know you're here for the unboxing of the James Charles palette. Oh my god, this would be a good thumbnail, wouldn't it? No, but I look ugly. Oh well. Backstory. So these guys, they came in the palette about, not in the palette, they came in the post about 2 weeks ago, and I have not opened this because I was like, if I opened it, I really wanted to try it out so bad, because once it came into stock on the website, I was like, I've got to get my hands on these. So I bought 2 of them, one to give away, so if you stay till the end you can hear about that. But it's literally taken so much, I don't know what it's called, patience and the will for me to not get into these, because I wanted to do an actual unboxing of them. But yes, this is like the packaging of the outside. It's very beautiful. Here's James. He looks very sister stunning. Let's just get into it. Oh my god. Oh, okay, let's get this on camera very nicely. Whoa. So here we are. Maybe this would be a good thumbnail, maybe, don't I? Also, excuse my nails, this side is all short and a different colour pink, and then this ones are long, overgrown, different colour pink, but we're ignoring that. Okay, let's open this baby up. If I can open it. Oh, oh my god. So the paper just flew out, but it's got all the names on it. And there's a hair on there. So, oh my god, I want to put this back on. We've got some really nice names in here. My face is too close, but we've got Flashback, we've got Mary, we've got You're Kidding, Shook, Acapella, Pinkity Drinkity. Oh my god, that is the best thing ever. Love that, love that. Brother, Guac, B. I follow James, James's mum on Instagram. I love her, she's so cute. Christy, Wig. Punch me. Okay, it's actually prettier in person. Okay, let's take that one off. I'm just gonna put that there. If anyone's interested to like take a screenshot or something. Do you know what? This palette for me is really good because it's got everything all you need, because you always need a black, you always need a white. It's got these like more neutral shades. It's got the crazy colours that I love. I always love using yellow, orange and like pinks and purples, and it's just very aesthetic, to be fair. I'm so excited to use this. Okay, so I don't even want to touch it, but yeah, we're gonna. What makeup look should I do, or just like test out some shades? I'm gonna go in with a very dirty brush. I've got my little spinning makeup brush holder. I'm gonna go in with this shade. What shade is that? Canvas. I'm literally using the my phone to see this. I kind of want to go something crazy and just like test out the pigment of them. So I'm gonna go in with the yellow. So okay, I'm coming in with my mirror. Okay, on camera it's not turning up very well, but in real life it looks good. In real life I look like a sunflower right now. Maybe I should have my hair up. I look bald though. Oh well, whatever. Okay, I look 100% bald. Okay, oh well. So next I used B and now I'm gonna use 518. I've literally never held a palette that big in my, so I'm struggling with width and everything, but you know. This is so good and I'm not even using so good yet. Oh. As you can tell, it's not another professional, I mean it's as you can tell, it's another very professional video, so you're getting your, I don't know, money's worth, even though you're not paying anything. Do you know what? I really need to invest in some good brushes. These ones I think are from like Amazon, eBay, but it does the job. I don't know where I'm going with this. I probably just look like an orange, maybe, or like a pina colada. Do you know what? I think I'm probably I went to Lovebox and I did like a sunset type vibe look. Should we add some pink in there? I think we need some pink. And I just want to use, what is it called? Skip. Cause that is some hot. Ooh, she good. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Ooh, honey. I really don't know where I'm going with this. It looks a bit shit now. Maybe I shouldn't have added the pink. Do you know what? Let's go. We're gonna go with blue on the whatever it's called. And I'm gonna be using Playground to do that. Look at that. Because we're going crazy. Oh my god, this is so good. Ooh, hello. Actually, I think hello is another one of those names. Oh, it's the one right next to it is hello. I kind of want to use one of the shimmers now to test that out. I think I'm going to use, what one am I going to use? Let's try So Good, because I've said So Good so many times. So we're going to go with So Good, which is this one right here. Oh, she is so good. I look freaking crazy, I've just realised this. Oh wow. Do you know what? I filmed this whole video without the stupid ring light on. I'm not happy with this, to be fair. Like, I wanted to do something cute, but like the pressure's just getting too much to me, like being on camera. So yeah, I don't know where I'm going with this anymore. I'm not saying I'm giving up. Oh, hello Raven. Oh, get that downward dog. Yes, boy, yes. He's such a lazy bum, he's going back to bed. But what was I saying? Don't remember, not gonna lie. Yeah, let's just go get into the giveaway, because that's probably what you're here for. So, to show you that I have actually got 2 of these. I've not opened this one yet, so I'll be giving this one away. So I'll put the rules in this description, but I'll also tell you now. So you have to be subscribed to me, obviously, because I'm giving this away, and then follow my Instagram, and then it would be really great if you could put on the notification bell. Why am I still holding this up? I don't know, but turn on the notification bell. And then, okay, I'm gonna make it easy for you guys. I was gonna be like, tell me a video idea or how your day was going, or tell me why you want to win this, but I'm just gonna make it easy for you. Just tell me your favorite color down below with an emoji, maybe. Doesn't have to, if you don't have emojis, don't worry, you don't have to put an emoji, but I just like seeing emojis, to be fair. And then yeah, you must have your parents' permission if you are 18 and under. Yeah, I don't know what other rules. All the rules will be down below, like, because I feel like I'm forgetting stuff. This could be yours. And oh my god, look how awful mine looks compared to James. Oh, I'm sorry James, I'm letting you down, but anyways, thank you guys very much for watching. Please subscribe down below if you're new, and I don't know what else. I feel like this was a really boring video actually, because it was a fail. A fail. One thing I'll say is I love the packaging of this, because the matte with the shiny, and it's a magnetic thing, so it'll be closed. And I don't know, I just love the layout, the way he put the colours, that, like, what are they called, complementary colours together.